Okay, here we go. Here's our flow hog. You want to open this one, Blake? Okay, just take this tape off. Here, pop it up here. Alright, what do you got? Ooh, look at that. That's your flow frame.
What is that one for?
That's the flow hog. So here's your flow frames and your little instruction manual. And look at that. Just perfect size for you. Oops. Flow hat. And veil. Look at that. Watch out for the bees. No, I got my veil on. No problem. Alright, let's take a look. So we'll put that aside.
And
let's take a look at this. So, nice, well packaged. Everything's really nice. Look how nice it is.
That's like 2 tops of wood.
Yeah, it's a Western red cedar. See?
Yeah.
That's the roof panel bed. So another roof panel bed.
Then we got more paper.
Yeah, packing material. Okay, that's the ridge cap. Look at that. Too close. Look at that. Flow Founding Supporter 2015.
What's this for?
This is the observation window.
Oh.
So this goes back behind there. So look at that. So we got some frames. Those are the side bits for the frames. We got some little strips for the frames. Look at that. Screw kit. And then the little block tile. Oops, more screws. And some more screws. Lots and lots of screws. Let's take a look. So this is the brood box.
Yep. And this
is the top box, and this is the top box with the window, so you can actually see through.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's set those down.
This is another door.
That's the brood box, because you can see it has the handling, so you can pick up the brood box. All right. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, all right. That's the inner cover.
Yep.
And it has a hole in it so that the bees can use a feeder if you want to use a feeder. Look. It's branded on. How about that?
Yeah. Wait, are we able to cut that bit out?
What?
Make coffin.
Yeah, let's start it again. Start it again if you want.